Welcome to the Psychology and Physical Training channel. Ever wondered how you can learn new skills and behaviors with ease? Understanding the brain's plasticity. It all starts with understanding your brain's plasticity. Picture your brain as a dynamic, flexible organ, constantly evolving and reshaping itself. This ability to change and adapt is known as neuroplasticity. It's like the brain's superpower, giving it the capacity to form new connections, pathways, and networks. This means when you're learning a new skill or behavior, your brain is literally rewiring itself to accommodate this new information. With every repetition of a thought or action, these connections become stronger and more efficient. This is how habits form, skills improve, and behaviors change. And the beauty of it all, it doesn't matter how old you are or what stage of life you're in, your brain retains this plasticity. So remember, your brain is a dynamic organ, always ready to learn and adapt. That's the first step to learning new skills and behaviors. Setting clear and achievable goals. Once you understand your brain's potential, the next step is setting clear and achievable goals. Now, let's delve into the importance of setting SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Imagine your goal as a destination. You wouldn't start a journey without knowing where you're headed, would you? The same applies to learning new skills and behaviors. Your goals act as your compass, guiding you through the learning process. Being specific is like setting your GPS coordinates. The more precise, the better. Measurability is your mileage check, helping you track progress. Achievability ensures your destination is within reach, while relevance checks if it's a place worth visiting. Lastly, time-bound is your estimated time of arrival, keeping you motivated and focused. Remember, setting SMART goals isn't just about reaching your destination. It's about enjoying the journey, absorbing the lessons, and evolving along the way. So, set your goals wisely. They are your guideposts on your journey to learning new skills and behaviors. Embracing consistent practice. Setting goals is crucial, but without consistent practice, those goals remain just dreams. Now, let's delve into the power of practice and repetition. Imagine you're learning to play a musical instrument. You don't become a maestro overnight. It takes countless hours of practice of hitting the wrong notes before the melody starts to flow seamlessly. This is because practice doesn't make perfect, it makes permanent. With each repetition, your brain reinforces the neural pathways associated with the new skill or behavior you're learning. It's like carving a path through a dense forest. The more you walk the path, the clearer and more defined it becomes. Eventually, that path becomes second nature to you, and the skill or behavior becomes a part of who you are. So, don't shy away from repetition. Embrace it. Make it a habit. Make it a part of your daily routine. And remember, consistent practice is the key to unlocking your learning potential. Make it a part of your routine. Leveraging sleep for learning. Did you know that your sleep can actually help you learn better? It's not just a restorative process for your body, but a crucial time when your brain consolidates memories and learning. Think of it like a nightly housekeeping service for your mind, tidying up the day's experiences and storing them in the right compartments. During sleep, your brain moves new information from short-term to long-term memory, solidifying what you've learned. And it's not about the number of hours you sleep, but the quality of that sleep. It's during deep, uninterrupted sleep that this memory consolidation happens most effectively. This is why it's so important to prioritize quality sleep when you're learning something new. It's your brain's way of enhancing its cognitive functions, improving your ability to recall information, and ultimately helping you master those new skills or behaviors. So, remember, never underestimate the power of a good night's sleep. It's your brain's way of processing and storing new information. Using visualization techniques. Visualization is a powerful tool that can accelerate your learning process. Imagine you're a sculptor. The big block of marble in front of you is your brain, and the chisel in your hand represents the new skills and behaviors you're trying to learn. As you chip away, you're not randomly hacking at the marble. You're visualizing the masterpiece hidden within. There are various ways to harness the power of visualization. One technique is process visualization, where you imagine yourself performing the skill step by step. This helps in creating a mental blueprint which can guide your actions. Another technique is outcome visualization, where you picture yourself successfully completing the task. This can boost your confidence and motivation. Visualizing is like inviting your brain to a dress rehearsal. It allows your brain to practice the skill in a safe, low-stakes environment before you perform it in real life. Visualization not only makes learning more enjoyable, but also more effective. So, picture your success. Staying curious and open-minded. Curiosity may have killed the cat, but it surely enhances learning. You see, curiosity is the spark that ignites the flame of knowledge. It's the driving force that propels us into the unknown, pushing us to question, to explore, to discover. It's the key that unlocks the door to endless possibilities. An open mind is the fertile soil in which the seeds of curiosity grow and flourish. It's the willingness to accept new ideas, to entertain different perspectives, to challenge our own beliefs. It's the freedom to venture beyond the boundaries of our comfort zone, to embrace the unfamiliar, and to find beauty in the diversity of thought. Together, curiosity and an open mind foster a love for learning and exploration. They make us perpetual students of life, eager to learn and grow, to understand and to create. They transform the world around us into an exciting playground of endless learning opportunities. So remember, stay curious, stay open-minded. It's the fuel that drives learning. Harnessing the power of social learning. Learning doesn't have to be a solitary journey. In fact, it's often more effective when it's social. Now you might wonder, what's so special about social learning? Well, it's all about leveraging the collective wisdom of many to expedite your own learning process. Imagine the vast amount of knowledge and experiences others have accumulated. By tapping into this reservoir, you can gain new insights, learn from others' mistakes, and acquire skills at a faster pace. It's like standing on the shoulders of giants, so to speak. Social learning can take many forms. It could be as simple as having a discussion with a friend, or more structured, like attending a workshop or joining an online forum. The key is to engage, share, and be open to learning from others. So don't hesitate to learn from others. It's a powerful tool in your learning arsenal. Embracing failure as part of the process. Failure is not the opposite of success. It's part of the process. Picture this. You're trying to learn a new skill and you stumble, falter, even fall flat on your face. It's tempting to see this as defeat, but it's actually a vital part of your journey. Failure is the world's most underrated teacher. It provides invaluable lessons and insights that you just can't get from success. Every time you fail, you're given a unique opportunity to learn, to adapt, and to grow. Think about it. When you're refining a skill or behavior, failure is the feedback that tells you where to focus your efforts. It highlights the areas that need improvement and guides you towards the most effective ways to make progress. So, the next time you encounter failure, don't shy away from it. Lean in, learn from it, grow from it. Embrace failure. It's not a roadblock, but a stepping stone to learning and growth. Rewarding yourself along the way. Learning is hard work, and hard work deserves rewards. As we navigate through the process of learning new skills and behaviors, it's vital to remember the significance of rewarding ourselves. It's not just about indulgence or self-pampering. Rather, rewarding oneself is a powerful psychological tool that can boost motivation and morale. When we reward ourselves for reaching milestones, we're acknowledging our efforts. This self-recognition can fuel our determination to continue learning, even when the journey gets tough. Think of it as an act of self-love, a gentle pat on the back that says, "Well done, keep going." Rewards can be as simple or as elaborate as you like. Maybe it's taking a relaxing walk in the park, enjoying a favorite meal, or spending time on a hobby. The key is to choose something that brings you joy and makes the learning journey enjoyable. So don't forget to reward yourself along the way. It's a great motivator and a reminder of how far you've come. Maintaining a growth-oriented environment. Finally, it's important to maintain a growth-oriented environment for effective learning. Picture this. You're a plant, and the environment you're in is the soil. In fertile, nourishing soil, you'll flourish. But in barren, harsh soil, growth becomes a struggle. Similarly, an environment that encourages curiosity, open-mindedness, and persistence fosters the growth of new skills and behaviors. A supportive, encouraging environment isn't one that shields you from challenges, but rather one that motivates you to rise to them. It's an environment where mistakes aren't feared, but seen as opportunities for growth. It's a place where questions are welcomed and exploration is celebrated. A growth-oriented environment doesn't just happen. It's consciously created by surrounding yourself with positive influences, seeking out enriching experiences, and embracing a mindset of continuous improvement. It's about recognizing that the path to mastery is a journey, not a destination. Remember, the right environment can make all the difference in your learning journey. So, foster a growth-oriented atmosphere around you. And if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and follow the Psychology and Physical Training channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.